All of you, my name is Kishan Vishwas. In this video, we will talk about how to speak English for the beginners. So, in this session, we will talk about group discussion in English. So, the first topic I given to you: government school versus private school. So, you have to choose one, right? So, to whom you will favor? Government school?
Yeah. I chose the
Private
government
school.
college. Government college. Government college.
Government college.
Yeah.
So as you know, guys, he selected that government.
Yes, government.
So tell me, how government college is good?
Government college is poor student is study, but private college is not for poor student to study.
But what about nowadays? Everybody are highly interested to go private schools because the teachers are very serious.
No. Some government colleges teachers very serious, and government college is scholar giving scholar, and government college is best college.
So how could you say that government college is best college? You know about the condition of UP. The government schools condition is very bad. So how could you say the government schools is the best school?
Government college, some college condition is very big, but all UP government college is condition not very big.
If we talk about government and government college or school, I think both condition is very, you can see. If we talk about nowadays, the teacher of the government schools also send their child to the private school.
But government college is best education, and
How do you say that
all
government college school is best education? Do you know? If we talk about the kids, there is a play school is there in the private sector, and if we talk about many private colleges and schools, they provide many facility. They have their own, peon, lady peon, right? Made
but I think government college is poor student and rich student some reading, but all poor student is reading.
Suppose that if we talk about poor student, as you know, poor student, but if the parents is serious, they are sending their child to go private schools. So how could you say that?
Private college is fees high fees, and government college is
But if we talk about a recharge about Geo, it is also high.
yeah.
If you will recharge in a month, I think about 300 rupees.
Yes.
So same in private school fees also 300 in a month. But if we talk about free, then free, about free.
I think a government college is 1 to 12th is not best, but 12th of the graduation is best college.
But the topic is government school versus private school. You have to say you will speak about private school versus government school.
Yes.
Not colleges. Next video we will talk about colleges.
College.
In this video we will talk about
School. Okay.
Right? So you selected private school.
Yes.
So how could you say that? But now we talk about the strictness and the regulation guidelines, all the facility you can see in the private schools.
Private school is condition is best, but I think government college condition is not best, and only for study is very weak, and I think today is study is hard study in government college.
How now if you will visit the condition of you can if you visit in a government school you can see the condition of the government schools. Everybody is taking money. Suppose there is midday meal, the proper diet they didn't provide and they are not providing. They also save money from midday meal, and many of constructions and many of paintings. All the things comes from government. All the principal and the chief of the village they take the money from that kind of things. So how could you say that the condition is very good? If you will visit, you can find many of the poor. They are poor. They didn't get any kind of implement in their life.
Yes.
They are given scholarship. Even they didn't purchase a dress also. They just wear one dress every week, every month. They didn't clean their teeth. They didn't cut. They do not cut their hair. So how could you say that there is implement, there is an improvement? I don't think that the government condition is very good nowadays. We talk about Delhi side, it is good, but nowadays in UP it is a very worst condition of
UP government college is not condition best.
So now you accept this.
Yes.
So now you defeat the match. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Wait for the next group discussion.